Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In case if you have not watched the trade recap video, I'll strongly suggest you go once and watch it. That will give you clarity on how you can plan your trades better, and you can also capture such kind of a moves. For you, I have a dedicated course available which will make you right from a beginner all the way to advanced. In case if you're interested to learn from the market and make money from the market, you can contact me for the course details, and I will put a link for the course in the description also, so that you can check out what will be the contents of the course. So we see that the market has given a closure above the liquidity point, which is good for us. We clearly see that the closure was given at the end point of time, and we can remove this liquidity because this is 100 now, right? If market has to continue the positive reaction. So what have I said always about market structures is market moves in waves, right? Market will move in waves, in the sense it will always come back to a demand before making a higher high, right? So if I draw you the same structure here, market came down and market went up, okay, and market came down for a demand today and market went up. So tomorrow market has to come back to a demand before going up. This is how market will generally move, right? So the demand which I am talking about here is the entry point which we made today. So this is the demand I'm talking about. This is where market came, tapped, and created a break of structure to the upside. So going forward, we wanted to see if the market can come back to a demand, which is the focus of this particular price action. Okay, so I'll just remove these things for clarity purpose. There is a demand in an extreme for this change of character to happen. This we will ignore for now because our focus is only on bullish. So we are planning to take the market higher by all means. Okay, so where do we have the demand? Is somewhere here. So you see the small indecision candle which caused this break of structure. This is what the demand I'm talking about. So there is one more demand which is the extreme in this particular price action, which is situated somewhere here. So the ideal best case scenario for us is if market opens flat tomorrow and comes down, I'm interested in taking the call option here from this particular demand and take the market higher. So where can we target the upside? Is we have couple of supplies. Okay, so there is a supply here. Market can act this supply as an inducement, but there is a relative equal high liquidity also. So for this supply will not hold because there's a liquidity on sitting on the top. So for simplicity's sake, we can target this liquidity as a target for us for tomorrow. Okay, so our entry point will be something like this. We will be planning a long position if in case if we get the market here, and we will not wait for confirmations in this trade because market is in uptrend. We don't need to have a confirmation. Only when market is in a downtrend and changing to uptrend, we need confirmations, just like today. Okay, so we will be planning a call option here. We can wait for a small one minute confirmation in case if we are very safe on your trade, and we can plan a position something like this. This itself is a 7-hour position. This is what I am more focused on tomorrow. More ideal scenario would be in case if market opens slightly gap down somewhere around 25,360 level, then we can immediately take the market higher. Give time to market. Again and again I'm saying, don't hurry into a trade. Market is not going to go anywhere. Okay, your money has to be preserved by all means. You reduce your lot size to 1 lot or 2 lots, max to max. Don't go beyond that. That itself will give you very good profits in case if you wanted to hold the trade for a longer period of time. Okay, so what about put option? Put I am not at all interested for tomorrow. The reason being, since we had this break of structure, our low is located somewhere in this swing point, right? So below this swing point, we need the market to drive down here all the way, give a closure, then look for a supply, then take the market down. This is what my put option would be. If you see where we are at 25,422. Where is this point? This point is 25,160. Almost close 260 points difference is there. Market will not give 260 points movement, do a retracement for another 100 points, then give a move for another 200 points. It is not going to happen for tomorrow. At least tomorrow, highly likely that market can come tap here, give a small inducement here, and hunt this liquidity just like today, or it can even be range bound. Okay, so again saying, reduce your lot size as much as possible. I hope this video is informative for you. In case if you like the video, make sure you like the channel, subscribe for the channel, and comment for whatever doubts we have. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next educational video.